Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken cobbler. Alright, I'm starting out in a 9x13 baking pan. And I'm going to spray this with a little bit of olive oil. You could also put melted butter in the bottom of it, just to keep your food from sticking. Now I have 2 chicken breasts here. I bake them at 400 for 30 minutes, and then cut them into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to get them in there. Let me grab a spoon quick. And I'm going to even out my chicken. And this is a really easy recipe. Alright. Now I have a 12-ounce pack of frozen peas and carrots. I'm going to open these up. Grab a knife to cut them open. I'm going to go ahead and dump them down over top of that chicken. And you don't want to stir it up. You want to have this layered. So I'm just going to go ahead and spread my peas and carrots out. I'm going to go ahead and season this. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of salt on it. Some black pepper. And guys, this is perfect for the cooler fall weather we're having up north here. I'm going to put on some onion powder. I just want to give it a nice generous seasoning. And some garlic powder. And I'm going to set this aside just for now. Alright, now in a bowl I have a 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup. So that I'm going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. And this is a 4-cup container, so I'm going to add half of it. So let me check it out. A little more. And I'm going to go ahead and mix this well. Alright, now that I have this all mixed together, I'm going to bring my 9x13 baking pan back over. And we're going to dump that soup and chicken broth mixture over top of our chicken and vegetables. You still don't want to stir. Just try to smooth it out the best you can. And this here will distribute as it bakes too. Alright, now in that bowl we mix the cream of chicken soup in. I have a box of Red Lobster's Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. I'm not going to use a seasoning packet that comes with it right now. We're going to use that later on. I'm going to take the biscuit mix. Let me open this. And guys, I think I would learn by now to do this before I start recording. I'm going to put this in that bowl. I gave that bowl a quick rinse. All of my biscuit mix down in there. I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Something good about there. And 2 cups of milk. Okay, and we're done with this box. We don't need it no more, so I'm going to get rid of it. I'm just going to give this a quick stir to get everything all mixed together. Right now that I have that all mixed together, I'm going to bring our baking pan back over. Seasoning packet out of the way for later. And I'm going to go ahead and dump that biscuit mix down over top of the chicken mixture. And I'm going to just smooth this out. I'm going to put this in a 375-degree oven uncovered for 1 hour. Alright, I just pulled this out of the oven. Look at how delicious it is. We're not done with it yet. Now I took 2 tablespoons of butter and melted them in the microwave, and I'm going to take that seasoning packet that came with the biscuits. We're going to put that in the butter. I'm going to mix that up. Just want to mix your seasoning in there well. It's like a cheddar cheese based seasoning. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and brush the top of the biscuit coating with this butter mixture. And then I'm going to let this rest for about 10 minutes to help it set up. And then we'll go ahead and we'll fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright, this sat up for 10 minutes, ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and garnished this with a little fresh parsley. Let me get in here and give this a try. See all that yummy filling in there. Get some chicken here. It's really delicious, guys. Get that savory chicken filling. Chicken's tender. Vegetables have a slight crisp on them. They're not mushy, but they're not raw. Get that buttery biscuit mix on top. Guys, really easy, really delicious. Chicken cobbler. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.